Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So friction definition. Friction is a force which opposes the direction of motion between two objects in contact. So when we apply force in this direction, frictional force will act opposite to the direction. So this is called frictional force, and its weight vertically downwards, normal force which is acting upwards. So friction is a force which opposes the direction of motion between the two objects in contact. Now let us do an activity. One activity we will do here. For that, let me take this pic. We have understood friction. Now we are going to see one activity to understand two types of friction. Now let us do an activity. Activity means small experiment. Activity. So aim of this activity, for every activity, we will have aim. We will have aim and we will have materials required. We will have materials required and procedure and the diagram. So this is diagram. I am going to draw the diagram here. So what is the experiment is about to understand two types of friction. Static friction, and there are two types of friction here. Static, I am going to say what is static. Static friction and sliding friction. To understand, our aim will become to understand static and sliding friction. So we are going to discuss friction. We have studied friction is a force which opposes the motion when they are in contact. Two types of friction we are going to study now. Static. Static means, in physics, statics means rest, the object which are at rest. Sliding. Sliding means which are moving. Just I am saying. After the end of this activity, you will understand what is static friction, what is sliding friction. So materials required. Materials required. So toy trolley. So one vehicle which is having, normally when you are in childhood, you will just tie one thread to a toy trolley and you are going to play. And here wooden block, bench, string, pulley. I am going to explain what is everything. Materials required for this activity: pulley, weight hanger, and weights. Now you see the diagram here. I am going to draw the diagram. So this is a bench. On the bench, you keep trolley. This is trolley. On the trolley, you keep one wooden box. So this is a toy trolley. And this is wooden block. Wooden block means small wooden block. Now, with the help of one string, you tie one pulley. This is pulley. Pulley means, so normally when you are drawing water, it will have like this. So when you will pull here and here bucket of water, you can just, pulley means two types of masses hanging. So pulley, with the help of the string, With the help of a string, the pulley is suspended here. Once again. So this is pulley. For this pulley, you tie this trolley thing and you keep here. This is weight hanger. Weight hanger. And you keep weights here. These are weights. And this is string. Let me explain once again. This is a table and you have kept one trolley. Trolley means which is just like a vehicle. To this trolley, you have attached it to the pulley. And for that pulley, you have attached weight hanger and you have to keep weights. What happens when you add the weights? The trolley will just move. Again, you add. So the trolley, suppose 10 gram weight you have added. Still the toy is not moving. After that, 20 grams you have added. Still the toy is not moving. 30 grams. Suppose 50 grams, the toy started moving. That is called sliding. So static means here wood is rest. Wooden block is rest. Relative to trolley. That means even though the trolley is moving, with respect to trolley, wooden block is at rest. That is static friction. With respect to trolley, wooden block is at rest. But when you keep on adding the weights at one point of time, when the weight is increased, so the toy trolley moves with the help of the string which is attached to the pulley. Now let us write the procedure here. That is the diagram. And then let us write the procedure here. Let us write the procedure. Procedure, first point. Take a trolley and keep wooden block on it. Second point, tie the trolley to a string which is attached to the pulley. Attached to the pulley. Third point. Keep on adding the weights on the hanger. So what happens when you keep on adding? Initially, the trolley won't move. After certain weight has reached, the trolley starts moving. After certain weights are added, the trolley starts sliding. Sliding means moving. Trolley starts. Why the trolley moving means because we are exerting some force here on the pulley. When the weight is added, the weight which is connected to the string and the string which is connected to the trolley will move because of the weight which we are adding. But so here sliding friction will come. But the wooden block which is on trolley, it is at rest with respect to the trolley. Wooden block is at rest respective trolley. Now still 4 points definitions are there. Let me just take the pick. So here the trolley, I have set 2 points. See the diagram. So when you keep on adding the weights, the trolley will start moving at one point. So the point where the trolley started moving, it is called sliding friction. But the wooden block which is in trolley, it is not moving anywhere, just with the help of tie only. If the trolley is moving, so it is at rest with respect to trolley. Now let me define sliding friction here. Let me define sliding friction. Sliding friction, or I will write here. Sliding friction. Sliding friction means sliding friction comes into play when an object is ready to slide between the contact surface. So this is the definition. So when the toy trolley, after inserting some weights, when it starts moving, when it is about to move, so the friction which is developed here is called sliding. Sliding means moving. Static friction means the static friction comes into play when an object is at rest or static with respect to another object. So these two are very, very important types of friction, static and sliding friction. Let me take this photograph. Now we will have doubts on this activity. You can ask any doubts regarding this. I will unmute yourself. Now you can ask any doubts.
Sir, can you explain the diagram portion once again?
Diagram, huh? Okay, okay. Be silent.
Diagram, sir.
Sir, please again, please.
Explain
Again,
diagram.
explain, sir.
Okay, okay. Don't talk. Don't talk. Be silent. This is the wooden block. Bench. Please be silent. I will explain once again.
Rishi. Once again, drawing.
I will explain it. Explaining. Listen here. So our aim is to know what is sliding friction and what is static friction. Friction means, the force which opposes the motion between relative motion between the two objects. Now I have taken one toy trolley and I have kept on the bench or table. So to this trolley, I have attached one string. String means one thread like. For that string, I have placed pulley. Pulley means pulley is a system where it is having two masses. When you are drawing water from the well, you will have, with the help of pulley only, you will draw water. So what happens? So first you keep 10 gram weight, it won't move. 20, 30. So at 50 or 60, at some weight, the string will undergo tension and it will make the toy trolley to move like this. When the trolley is about to slide or move, the friction developed is sliding friction. But you can see here, wooden block is placed in the trolley. So trolley is moving means we have to consider the wooden block is also moving. But with respect to this trolley, this wooden block is at rest. That is called static friction. But when we see the trolley is moving, wooden block is also moving. But with respect to this toy trolley, this wooden block which is placed here, that is at rest. That is the friction which is developed here is called static friction. So from this activity, we understood that sliding friction comes into play when the object is ready to slide. Static friction will comes to play when the object is rest with respect to another object. Unmute. Clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Sir.
Can you define sliding friction? Can you define sliding friction without
sliding
saying?
friction comes into
Sliding friction comes into play when an object clearly slides between the contact force.
Define static friction. Static.
Static friction comes into play when an object is at rest.
What is the meaning of sliding? What is the meaning of sliding? Sliding.
The meaning of sliding. Motion.
The sliding friction is a friction to the side with the surface of one object.
My dear students.
To the surface.
Okay. Okay, whatever you said correct. Sliding means what? Sliding in simple language. Sliding means what?
going to move.
Moving. What is static? Static. S-T-A-T-A-C. Static means what?
Rest.
Very good. So sliding means moving. Static means rest. Now you define friction. How can you define friction? How can you define friction? How can you define friction?
Friction is a force which opposes
The force which opposes the motion is called friction.
Very good. Now I am pushing the book. What are the forces acting on that book? When I push the book, what are the forces acting? Tell me.
applied force.
Applied force. Very good.
Applied force.
Pushing force. Normal force.
Normal force.
Fractional force.
Very good.
Net force.
Have you understood now types of friction, sliding friction and static friction?
Sir. Both sides, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Still 10 minutes is there. You can ask me. Doubts?
Sir, please move side, sir.
Okay. Sir, big angels. You can see the diagram.
Sliding friction, sir.
Can you able to see the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you tell me any doubts. 10 minutes doubt session.
Sir.
Tell me.
Sliding. Sir, explain diagram, sir.
Diagram I have already explained. No, it is the bench or table where a toy trolley is kept here, and it is connected to the pulley. If we keep on adding the weights, because of the weights, the trolley will about to move. That is called sliding friction.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is sliding friction, sir?
What is
Sliding friction.
sliding? Means because of this weights adding, the object, this toy trolley will about to move. That is called sliding. Sliding means moving.
Okay, sir.
Static means.
Static means this wooden block which is kept in trolley is at rest. So the friction which is developed in the wooden block, it is called static. Static means it is not moving anywhere. It is moving along with the trolley. That is called static friction.
Rishi in ball.
Tell me any doubts?
Please, no doubt, sir.
Sir?
No doubt,
Tell.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
in sliding friction, static force, which manner comes?
One at a time. Remaining, please don't talk. Tell me. Somebody is asking doubt. Sliding friction means the friction which comes into play when the object is ready to move. I have written now.
Fundamental physical conditions.
Yes, tell me. Hey, who is that? Santosh. Who is that? Sir, videos on the sir.
Sliding. Sir, what is sliding friction, sir?
Static friction means the friction which develops when the object is at rest with respect to another.
Thank you, sir.
Please don't make unnecessary disturbance. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Unnecessary, don't make disturbance here. Tell me, you can ask any doubts.
Sir, right static friction both, sir.
Yes.
You tell sir. Sliding force, we tell.
Sliding friction, not sliding force. Sliding means the object which is ready to move is called sliding friction.
Sir, any two frictions can come in at a time, sir. Or two.
Yeah. When the ball is rolling, when the ball is loading, it will have sliding friction. It will have rolling friction. There is another type is there. Rolling friction is there. I am going to discuss. 2 or 3 frictions at a time will come. When the ball is rolling, rolling friction is there. The ball which is any object which is rolling on the surface, there the friction developed is rolling friction. 2 or 3.
Sir, maximum how many frictions having, sir?
Maximum means limiting friction. 4 frictions are there.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sliding friction fix automatically. The trolley will also
Explain clearly.
the weight we get now, sir. It will fell down means automatically the trolley also will fell down now, sir.
Sir?
Trolley will fell down or it will be there only, sir.
Sir, friction or weight is important, sir. Okay.
Members is playing game, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Somebody is somebody playing
Free Fire.
so that one is you
Free Fire.
somebody playing Free Fire game, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Somebody is playing Free Fire game, sir. Hello.
Somebody playing Free Fire game, sir.
Sir is not